Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about this shampoo and conditioner, Love Beauty and Planet, the coconut oil and the Ylang. This has been a beautiful product, not only because it's natural, but the smell is wonderful. I'm really into natural things, but I also want them to smell good, and this is the right one. Something I loved about it was that it didn't give all these bubbles of shampoo once you put it on, this one. And another thing I love is that you need very little conditioner for your tips. Once my hair was dry, I loved it. Wasn't frizzy. I didn't have all these baby hairs popping out. I loved it. It felt very light, very natural, very silky, and it was just right. And the smell. This is a very unique smell because you can wonder, what does Ylang smell like? But this reminds me of jasmine, fruity, banana, and a little bit of honey. It's jasmine, banana, and honey. That's what it reminds me of. It smells delicious, it's natural, and you just need a little bit of both of them in order to get the job done. I love it, and that is just my point of view.